This video explains how to set up the machine to output the leak test data to a flash drive. So the first step for setting up the machine to do that is to change a USB cable connection which is located inside. In order to do that, the maintenance mechanic has to open the machine, and I'm going to show that. And the cable that needs to be changed is the USB cable that is located on right up here, and I'm going to move it from its current location to a location right next to it. So now that's the only electrical change that needs to be made. So that's the mechanical or / electrical change to be made. Now the rest of it is all software. In order to set up the machine as a to output in as a flash on a flash drive, we have to log in as a supervisor. So I'm going to do that. There we go. And I'm going to go into utilities, and I have to turn on the flash drive disabled to turn it on to enabled. And what that does, when you go into cycle control, the flash drive management box is showing up. So we're gonna go ahead and run a leak test cycle. I have under recipe 1, I have a very shortened cycle. It's called quick cycle. So that's gonna go real quick. So basically the glove is inflating right now, and the pressure is still 0 because the glove is still deflated. And I'm still logged in as a supervisor, but I could be logged in as an operator at this point. The leak testing process can be performed by an operator level as well. While the system is actually running the leak test cycle, I can also take care of a couple of activities here. One is the enter a glove ID function, and the second one is an isolator ID function. Let's say isolator number 2. And so when the leak test cycle completes, then that's when I'm going to be able to create an output, and the output will be available on a flash drive. The glove is still inflating. It's going to inflate until we reach the overpressure level, and at that point we switch to a stab sequence. As I said, I have very shortened times programmed, so this is going to go in 9 seconds. It's going to stop and switch to leak test. There we go. Right now it's deflating to reach the starting pressure. Once that starting pressure is reached, then we start the leak test, which is happening right now. There we go. The leak test is completed. Because we already had entered the glove ID and isolator ID, the output results is already showing. So I can go ahead and create an output. And now we can download the information. The information is being stored inside of the machine. So now I can insert the flash drive into the back of the machine at that location. As you can see, that's saying copying, so it's copying the information into the flash drive. And when that's finished copying, it'll say remove. There we go, remove. So now we can remove the flash drive, and it's ready to go again.